Ricky from Decatur, Illinois, has a question about ridge vents.
Decatur is pretty much in the middle of Illinois, just weather-wise, you know what we're talking about here. Ricky writes, I recently had a new roof put on, and they installed a ridge vent. The home has gable vents on each side, but no soffit vents. I was wondering, should I go ahead and put in soffit vents? Should I keep all three? What should I do?
I think we should keep this one simple.
Okay.
Put in soffit vents. When you do that, put something behind the gable vents if you want.
Like, say, tar paper or something?
Tar paper, plastic, an old quilt from the garage. I don't really care that much.
Nail some plywood back there.
Just so the air doesn't blow in to stop the, or to, stop the airflow from going from top to bottom, but you don't want it going side to side.
So that passive ventilation is really what you're after.
There you go. It's that simple. Soffit vents. Block the inside of the gable vents and let the ridge vent do what it's supposed to do.
I never heard about ridge vents before you back in the 80s.
I invented them.
No, you did not. Yes. And the serrated knife, I'm sure. But no. But you were talking about those long before anybody else was.
Well, in Houston. I don't know about other places because I heard about them and got familiar with them at the Florida Solar Energy Center when I was studying back in my days and when I was young and had hair. I didn't have hair. But anyway, when I was young.
Tom was born bald.
I was born bald. Actually, I was.
Actually, was. That's true. Aren't we all? All right. From bald to bald, dust to dust. There it is. And from questions to answers. When you visit HomeShowRadio.com, just fill out that Ask Tom form. Send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.